What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Starks coming back at you with another one now. I'm about to attempt to do my own decals. Hope and pray this turns out right. Because this is my first time, man. All I've been doing is looking at YouTube videos, trying to figure out how to do it. And yeah, I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but man, y'all like these videos, you like what I be doing, go ahead and give a follow, like the video, subscribe, do what you gotta do, man. As you can see, first thing I need to do, clean the window with some alcohol. You can use water too, but I prefer alcohol because I know it gets clean better. I'm not sure, but yeah. And it's kind of hard because I got one hand, so it's like trying to do all of this and talk to y'all. Hopefully this comes out right while I'm trying to video it. So as you can see, the alcohol applied, let that dry. Then I'm already messing up. Close this top before I waste this all over my car. That should be good and dry. Go ahead and put this one on. From what I saw on people YouTube videos, they put tape over it to hold it. Make sure that's straight. That's straight, y'all? I don't think so. That's straight. Yeah, I think I should put this one here on the side next to it. Can't go there, it's too big. So I think I'll put it like right there. Same side. I'm gonna have to put y'all down, man. I can't get this done while I'm holding the camera. I'll get back to y'all when I at least get one of them done. Let y'all see how it turn out. All right, man. So I got one done, as y'all can see. Perfect. Now it's time to move on to the next one. Hey, y'all see this? Go follow me at JStarks392 on Instagram, man. Shameless plug. You see it? But yeah, man. Not that hard. It's a couple bubbles, but from what I see and what I've heard, they'll come out over time. If not, I just buy another one and redo it. Follow, man, follow. Yeah, let me get this second one done, then I'll come back. Yep, all finished. Like I said, man, go subscribe, JStarks392. Give me a follow, JStarks392. This was a quick add-on to the car. I had to add the decals, get some more attention. But it only took me, what, 10 minutes, man? So if you want to do it yourself, you can. It's not that hard. All you need, the decal for one. This, had that left over for another project I did. Some alcohol, or you can use water. And tape. But yeah, man. That's all it takes. If y'all want to do it yourself, do it instead of paying somebody. I did this myself. Usually I do most of my stuff myself. Quick project. But like I said, give me a follow, man. Instagram, JStarks392. Subscribe, JStarks392. And I'm out. Yeah.